Here we are at a hit cycle. We've got the Multistrada Enduro here, getting the Enduro kit installed.
There's torn apart. Gas tank is off. Fairing is off. There's a bracket for the fog lights. Hoses. Gas tank cover. That's the actual gas tank.
2016 Ducati Multistrada Enduro, and we had the crash bars installed today. Fog lights, see here. Guys at Apex Cycle did an awesome job. Power it up. And let's test these fog lights. See if they work. There they are. Fog lights are working. Looking awesome. Ducati fog lights right there. There's the grills that come with the kit. Oil filler grill in there. Radiator grill, fog lights, and crash bar. Bolts on right there. '16 Ducati Multistrada Enduro. Getting close to getting it done. Next, we're going to put a DV killer in, lower the exhaust note a little bit.